Hello friends, my name is Amsu. Today we shall discuss about topic reverse engineering. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in software engineering and you want to learn about it. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. Also, you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, reverse engineering is a topic which we have taken it from the software engineering. Reverse engineering means that sometimes it is called as back engineering as well. Basically, it's a process in which the software, machines, aircraft, architectural structures, and other products are basically decomposed or deconstruct so that we can get the design information from them. So basically, if you just take it as simple as an example, if you have a part of a, for example, if you have a part of an aircraft, so what you can do, you will decompose it or deconstruct it, that you can find it that how many parts are there, how it is working, and what is the flow of the process. Take another example of a car engine. If you have a car engine and you want to do the reverse engineering, so what you will do, you will just decompose it, or you will separate each part with each other so that you can get the design information, that how the engine is currently working. The purpose of reverse engineering is to find out how the object and system works so that you can reconstruct it, or similar product can be constructed with a cheaper or inexpensive way. For example, you have a computer and you want to reverse engineering, so you can find it how many objects are there, how many components are there, how they are working, and then you try to find out try to find the design of that and then reconstruct it. The purpose of reverse engineering is basically making deconstructing or decomposing an object so that you can get the design information, and so that you can make the similar product with a inexpensive way or a cheaper way. The reverse engineering, how it is work actually. First of all, information extraction. Information extraction means in this way, basically we study the object, that about its design, how it's work, um, the pieces fit together, how the pieces fit together, and also it might require in software engineering that you can get the source code and related design documents for study. It may also involve the use of tools such as disassembler to break apart the program into its constituent parts. So basically, the first part in the reverse engineering is the information extraction. Information means the documentation, the design, the flow, the source code, etc. Then modeling. Whatever the information you have collected, you will basically abstract it into a conceptual model, with each piece of the model explaining its function in the overall structure. The purpose of this step is to guide the design of the new object or system. In software reverse engineering, this might take the form of a data flow diagram or a structure chart. So once you have all the information, you will make the data flow diagram. After, the next one is the review. This involves that once you have the information, you have the data flow diagram, then you will ensure that it is a realistic abstraction of the original object or system, and then you will do the testing. Once the testing is done, the model can be implemented to re-engineer the original object. Okay, so first you will do the information extraction, in which you get the information or design and specification about the object. Then the modeling means you basically analyze the information and do the data flow diagram, that how systems are integrating with each other and what is the data flow. Then the last one is the testing, in which we do the testing that whether the object is working properly or not. If it is working properly, then you can implement it for the re-engineering for the original object. The example of the reverse engineering in software engineering is for software development is for the disassembler software. For example, you don't for example, if you missed the if you lost the source code, so once what you can do, you can study the certain programs, operations, improving performance, fixing bugs, documentation, error handling, so that you can do the reverse engineering, you can do the making the same source code again. Another common example is to adopt a program written for use with one microprocessor to another. For example, one program is running on Windows and you want to learn that how it works on the Linux. So what you can do, you will analyze it in deeply, that how one program is working on a Windows, so that the similar program can be running on the Linux or Unix operating system as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.